If you are looking to up-level your workouts, this resistant band is a must. It is really thick, which I absolutely love because it stays in place. It is super durable, so it has these just to keep it from sliding, and it is one of the toughest ones. So that's the one I'm showing you today, but it doesn't snap like other thin ones, and it adds just the right amount of resistance. It does come in I guess different levels, but this is one of their highest. It's great for your your glute work, your squats, just adding that extra resistance. And I love how it stays in place, like I said, with these little grips that are on there, and it just gives that extra burn. Plus it is enough just to throw into your gym bag. It's easy to clean, easy to wash. You can throw it in the laundry, and it's just like a total game changer to really up level your gym workouts, your home workouts, or even just having that little extra resistance when you are walking. So definitely one of my favorite ones for those reasons, because mainly it does stay in place and it is thick.